Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your Facebook videos not playing problem. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's just start with our video now. So what you will do is, first thing that you will simply just go to your notification bar and make sure that you have a good connection. If you have a connection problem with your Wi-Fi, simply switch to your mobile data instead. And if you are okay with your connection as well, then you will simply go to your app store or Play Store or your apps and check if your Facebook app is updated or not, because you can see my Facebook app is not updated as well. So we'll see this update option over there as well. Simply tap on this and it will start downloading your updated version of your app. So whatever the errors, the bugs that you are having, the lagging that you are having with your Facebook, it will sort it out. And you can see this open option. Then go to your Facebook app and try to watch your video. And the other thing that you can do is simply go to your settings and go to your apps over here, apps again, and simply search the particular app. Once your app is there, simply go to this storage option over here, clear cache. This will also help your Facebook to run a little faster, removing all the unneeded storage from there. But you cannot play the videos, the link that your friend sent you, and you are tapping on that and you cannot play that video. That could be because the video is deleted already from that page itself. That's why you're not being able to play that video, could be one of the reasons. So yeah, there's some problems and the issues why you're not being able to play your video. The video is deleted from the page itself, then you won't be able to view that video. So yeah, this is it, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.